Hey everyone, I'd like to introduce you to this product that you may not have heard of before. It is called Rakia. Now Rakia is produced by 36 Short and it is a family recipe that comes from the distiller's father, Pando. Now this is his living legacy. So Rakia, to me, it brings some notes of like a licorice, kind of similar to an ouzo, but a little bit sweeter. And it's usually just drank on its own. Now, I figured, because I love making my cocktails, why not chuck this into a cocktail? Found a beautiful recipe online. This is called the Balkan Beauty. So we're gonna get into it. Alrighty, so first ingredient, we've got our 30 ml of Rakia. We're just gonna pop that straight into our shaker. Then we're going to follow that with 15 ml of our Maraschino Liqueur. Bang. Couple of dashes of our orange bitters. You can go as heavy as you want with that as well if you do want it to be a little bit more bitter. Then we've got 10 ml of lime juice. Bam. Followed by 15 ml of our pureed raspberry. Awesome. And then we're just gonna pop in 100 ml or so a couple of handfuls of ice. I've already got that licorice scent wafting out of the glass as well. Smells incredible. We'll give it a shake. We really want to shake this one as well. Awesome. And that is nice and shaken. Very frosty on the glass. And then we'll pop down, we've got a nice little coupe glass here for it. And you do want to double strain this guy because you've got all that raspberry pulp in it. Awesome, so we'll just give that a pour. And this stops all those little ice shards and stuff as well. And just gets you nothing but deliciousness in your glass. I can smell generations of love from this family recipe. How cool, imagine that, passing it on, leaving your legacy and it's booze for everyone to enjoy. Hell yeah. So now that we've strained that one in, all we're going to do, just got a little skewer here with a couple of raspberry pieces, and we're just gonna pop that just straight into our glass, and there. And there you go. The Balkan Beauty. Delicious. Cheers.